Come make a Miguelitos Instant Taho with me. For the taho premix, pour 2 liters of water in your 5-liter capacity cooking pot. Dissolve the Miguelitos Instant Taho powder mix into 2000 ml of tap water. Bring to a full boil over high heat while stirring. Once boiling, turn off the heat and immediately transfer it to your clean container. Add the coagulant and stir for only 5 to 10 seconds. Do not overstir as it will affect the coagulation of the taho. Gently remove the bubbles on top. Let it cool while open for 15 minutes while the container is open, and cover it for another 15 minutes. For the sago, in a large pot, boil about 1.5 liters of water. Once boiling, add the tapioca pearls and cook for 10 to 20 minutes or until the pearl is soft. Strain the pearl and wash off running water to remove excess starch. For the arnibal, in a pot, dissolve 140 grams of brown sugar into 300 ml of water. Bring this to a boil until it becomes a form of syrup. Now it's time for the presentation. Put arnibal walling into your cups. Transfer the sago and arnibal to your container. And enjoy!